Hey everyone, I'm Josh, Marketing Project Manager at Robroy, and I'm here to guide you through the brand new Stahlin.com. This is the final video in this short tutorial series, and if you haven't seen the others, I recommend you seek them out to learn even more about what the site has to offer. Today, we're focusing on how to request modified enclosures. So, let's jump in. Now, in the first video of this series, I already walked through how to request a modified enclosure from the product page. If you're not familiar, just click on a product page from our online catalog and hit Modify an Enclosure. But there are a couple of other ways to access that request form. The first is by clicking on the Why Stahlin tab and selecting the Robroy Difference dropdown. This will bring up three options: SelectRight, ModRight, and Deliverite, which make up our value-add differentiation offerings. For those who may not be aware, SelectRight is our promise that we have an industry-leading selection of non-metallic, standard, configurable, off-the-shelf, corrosion-resistant enclosures. ModRight is our best-in-class capability to apply an extensive range of modifications to our enclosures based on customer needs. And Deliverite is our guarantee of fast service and on-time delivery. By clicking on the ModRight page, you can read a bit more about what we offer, and then hit Request Modified Enclosure. This will pull up the Request Modified Enclosure form. From here, you can input the enclosure part number that you would like to modify, as well as the quantity that you need, and then select the modifications and accessories that fit your needs. We've also given you the option here to upload your own drawings or specs that can give our solutions team a better idea of what you're looking for, as well as the ability to leave comments. We accept a wide range of file types, from JPEGs and PNGs to DWGs and DXFs to PowerPoint files and more, with a 3 megabyte file limit. Then you can fill out your contact info and submit your request. Or, as you can see here, because I've logged into my account, I don't have to put in my contact information to submit this request. The other way to access enclosure modification requests is by scrolling down on the home page, past the product search, about Stahlin, industry served, and featured news and products, to this section titled ModRight Modified Enclosures. This is a nifty interactive graphic that demonstrates each of our modification capabilities in a single, easy-to-digest format. By clicking Learn More, you'll be directed to the ModRight page that we were just on. You can scroll down and hit Request Modified Enclosure to fill out the form and submit it. I hope this video series has been useful to you as you begin to explore the brand new Stahlin.com. Whether you're looking for a specific part number, searching for technical information, submitting a modification request, or just going to the Why Stahlin tab to read about our history, the site has so much to offer. I hope you'll check it out. Thanks for joining me.